guys, it's Brick with WTI. Welcome to my kitchen floor. When we put brand new floors into our new house, I wanted to make sure that I got a mop that would thoroughly clean the floors to keep them new right from the beginning. This Vileda spin mop and bucket is the #1 choice for my floors. I know it looks like I'm holding a mini mop here, but it's actually an extendable handle. One of my favorite parts about this mop is that the head comes off and is machine washable. So you don't have to worry about it getting all gunky and gross and just putting dirty water right back on your floor. All you have to do is throw it in the washing machine and then lay it flat to dry. Probably the best part of this is that it has the spin feature, so when you take your mop out, it's not soaking wet and you don't have to use your hands to wring it. This Vileda spin bucket and mop is an absolute must-have if you have a family, but that's just my point of view.